What you say?
Okay.
Choose the person can was. And the American was shouldn't be your problem.
Papa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say. Ghana wa wenye here mo jitu mampa o hawa ba esan ne niema nan bi a onu hu ne say a create sa problem. Asembisa ne say sa niema nan no. Ebi wo ho ananka ebetimi afa akwan foforo so am yenya the right solution. And now say na ye ni option bia say sa niema nan na wo say ba. De di kan. Almost started as usual. Akoma ko say COVID ketase. COVID-19 the ketenase na MPP for dwane ko say. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be ka say COVID di how by. Na wiase aman so nyina o how by. And for that matter baby abedu na hete Ghana yesika say. Kofa Bank of Ghana report. World Bank report 2021. Kind ti ase ye say there's a section of the reporter all catch say even before COVID, Ghana's economy was in shambles. Even before COVID.
What bank report?
Oh, Mr. Public document.
No, recently they made that assertion.
And Papa now Mobeka say, oh, COVID aba, ye ho chire. Ni nya evidence from World Bank ye ko any am ko dwendwen sika say mo say even as at the time of COVID be hit Ghana no. Na ye nya na so papa. And since I'm not kind of trying to answer kind of create for the best judges. They are to mienu. Papa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say bank sector clean up. Banking sector clean up. Ombe yes or bank who do including Miami Dr. Papa Kosindum Bank. GM Bank you good in Femframa and Nam no Kase. And I who do 138 and their offices. 138 branches. And then is you are buying finance also. Aban fanya school dan yo on fanya office on fanya hwe emu ni o maguo na e protete cars sisi ho sisi premises ho cars Ford F150 models ahodo sisi offices ya e protete Ghana sika bona mo se papa na mfa kwan paso ye wa kwamna do for mo fa ne bank de ko share CBG ase to an extent mo na mo se mo manage ni ye because of that intino Ghana di sika sen Eko clinic bank dodo say abra na ye what the option thank you this sika ni bi be say sa banks ni aso o masene ama mo gina brane na nka sika de be so o masene no enu sika na edi gu no no ebu a ese wa you are no aka enti o ye finance person ni am nu SMLs minimum how fantastic you are so we are into business na me developer me ye developer na ma fawo sebra na be bua me ni ani dwuma na se oba na aka che me say enyoma we ekoso within this sector ebegu
and repayment and we are
na say no edo so che de ejeje
23% of our loans
during the time na banks yi bi ewo ho on record na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia the former deputy governor of the Bank of Ghana when some of these banks were operating I mean, can you change it for say banks here NDPP buy omugu ni ebre bi say ase no mu ye adwuma Dr. Indum Free First National Bank by GM Bank no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no vice president no a deputy governor of the Bank of Ghana that time no banks here adwuma die nsunsuanso input by no the man the governor at that time and therefore that Ministry of Finance at that time so patriotic Ghanaian what's now why you when you were deputy governor who be vice president there who supported the cause say yengu banks no it's not banks na your money ya na your governor now you incompetent let's face fact enye na your vice president no who say money omanye time now you civil servant now you adwuma no now ntimi nkasa and at that time they now your mama pa it's a question meant for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to answer one day and then about mama call the next one osa be catch say on flagship programs and e break your mind and e di o man nya na Mahmoud Bawumia doctor vice president catch say o ma solve Ghana unemployment case enti e kan wo bi o kan de ba ko a o se napco my goodness e di na ba on how many times yen calculation in country o say napco be di o man nya na sika tutu dey 700 Ghana cedis as stipends e man ko 400,000 now multiply no kikabo ma bosome hwe sika edition ko bottom san ko for muntua tax omuntua yentua omo senate Omuji scan freebies no makodi. Your analysis catch us says he supporting NAPCO no. O multiply 700 times 100,000 no. Times 36 months we are investor to say so finance. You no put your money where you get losses. You can't crunch your mind. You first can question conform bottom in free. Near Moka. Unim says can. A better me as factories Akoma 5 in every region. Your calculation error. 700 Ghana cedis multiplied by 100,000 times 36 months. Sika ya chere. I question conform why ye nyam faso. Now my baby the impact. Baby all this sika question faso unya any yedien. So invest in things a better me amount returns. Higher returns on your investment as a business person. Higher returns on your investment as a business person. Near institutions be to settle your boss. Omu let me function under a certain government. Emma you ready a word time. Omu make profit under a talk. And then will be by ya okay economic management team of for so say to on the boss no yanguno yanya the towns farm. Yen Germany si one prontity near will be China near to me Abakroma. See oil refinery, private owned, Ewatema West. Yeah, Diano, Yemaningu. But you're supporting investor or no free in Chrome, so may see oil refinery Watema West. Assassin good year baby, including gold. Yeni bauxite, manganese, diamond, coffee. Now you need Ghana. Yanka says apart from PMMC. And no crowd I say jewelry hub you come out
87.9
refining gold. Yet now my Egypt for about see Gold Coast refinery or airport, Kotoka International Airport. Abra Ghana, we don't have a gold refinery to boast of. Not to talk of Senka Miami Chrome or Boasekra. It will yes animal way name you also your leader or your vice president. Wait to me and investing will be a good returns on our money. Now but now catch us here when you're telling me say Ukraine Russia air konto kwanti iron ore ama iron rods ebu okosoro because of that your countries have been affected. Make it also you're incompetent because you have experts in your country who know say bamboo bet me withstanding the same strength as iron rods. And then why I found what's the building materials ebu okosoro Dr. Bawumia so because when they say clinker you import it it's because you import clinker anti ama cement ebu okosoro okay na de nyame dudum ye na efe na takwame no e dey na buy one district one factory omo nche be baako a ye wura sare be di akotie ni mpesu ya so ho omo chap blocks e latrite omo chebi na man timi ankosi one single factory e won sene ye a omo produce bricks. Oh, Edianaba.
Wrap up.
May I feel say a deliberate attempt by some leaders of this country say, "Omodi o mind be kwa se baby a ye nchirima ye ho betere ye." And will be forced to say omodi anwa be for ya no wa ye hu ni so mama ye aduane. E bi na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ma ye no. Honestly speaking, say 129-page document no. It's much ado about nothing. Bibianim. And just an iota of incompetence and just telling us near me bini na da bia omo ni say political propaganda. Yembe kan gu nkofo mfi yemfa tete party bi yemfa share party mo ni at the end of the day one kasa wo mabunu ebre Ghana for ebre. My question this morning is it's a Mills and the MPP. What is the solution?
Thank you very much. And of course the solution is what Dr. Bawumia put up, but God is our witness. Hi Akoma 87.9 FM Unia TV watching us live. Baby I will be ano. My ambassador Emma Oxford Institute of Business and Journalism. Jumedi omukra na sene. Adia ba akopia we bebu na beka chiro ne se bi a we JHS kra na we secondary school a utifie unya bibia anko school some ayabasa from JHS ubetimi take advantage of 6 months courses ubetimi abeye bi cosmetology any makeup oba na se bema bra na yen kire said ubetimi de usuminsia pe asiesi obi anim na wanyeska bebre na o share on Facebook page no beauty therapy bibia wo kama ebeboa Samsung 6 months in digital and social media marketing and phone crowd no udi twitwa selfie keke and we waste data ba betimi de diska so 6 months in radio broadcasting
Akoma
and TV, and pay 6 months in video and photography. Bobodia say ubetimin so adjoining Oxford Institute of Business and Journalism. School no kwada so Shumasi Rolex. Nyame adom oba school yenia yemubi edimatintimai a yebeboa na yetimin so ape baby ma unai esie. Adia ba ko a den say ye wo 2-year program ho a ye wo courses beye miensa akese journalism and media studies, hospitality management and a business administration, and we are okwa national service abit matwaso level 200 at any of the universities. Bobody na bra your website no bobody now there ubit mato forms no straightforward from the school no website www.oxfordinstitute.edu.gh www.oxfordinstitute.edu.gh website no and telephone number obefre mo amoshe TV ne the numbers no e screen ne so Facebook page numbers no go screen ne so but so tie radio number ne 0540 234 005 0540 234 005 and 0244 72 4087 telephone number obefre na waba Oxford mepacho 2-year program no we here 4 passes English and maths and 2 other electives wo SSC and result nim but what dey na akwanya na bra na oba kwada so Kumasi Shumasi Rolex akwanya word ma wa na me na wo kasai admission go so Oxford Institute of Business and Journalism oba TV studio computers and FM studio all your practicals DJ crackeke nti fa ho so shem na why part of the discussion and they are with a 6 months course and they here say utimi kan timi tro just come na bra bejo admission number the BM 0540 234 005 na why part of Oxford Institute of Business and Journalism na nasare bedi akon.
Yes sir.
Mamintio
Yo minu amidase the Vice President Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia